Well, I put all my vegetables from the freezer on the floor. Uh, we have sorrel here. And we have dandelions in the bag. I have creeping Charlie there, corn, so I have corn there, I have rhubarb, green beans are there, I have onion there. So those are onions from the Egyptian onion. I have garlic mustard in those 2 bags. I have zucchini here. And I have random things here, so that I will sort through as well. I have currant. I froze it so that I can make tea with them. So these are currant. I have raspberry. I can make raspberry sauce for cream cheese pie. Yeah, so the freezer is now empty, but I don't need to take everything out. So I have few corns there, and I have cooked food here as well. So I'm going to start putting things in it because I have a lot of corn. I don't know, and I have broccoli, but not a lot, 2 bags. So those will be at the top, so that I can get to it for stir fries. So for things that I have a lot, they will go quite a bit in the base, in the bottom, like corn, for example. I might have 2 layers of corn before I start putting other things in it. So I have quite a bit of corn. So in fact, I have corn in the other freezer too. So I think I will use the corn from the other freezer before I really start using corn from here. For that reason, I'll put a lot of corn at the bottom. I don't know if I'll be able to organize this freezer to get things. Well, in it, I will put some corns down. The way I like to do it is I can have onion. So I'll put onion. I put 1 onion. I'll put 1 bag of zucchini. So 1 onion, 1 bag of zucchini, and I'll put 1 bag of sorrel. And I will put 1 bag of corn, one bag of onion. So that's the way I'm going to lay them all to the top. So I'm going to do that and show you.